Making another Miniverse Cafe Series 4. This one has a dot code. When I talk about dots or codes, it's right there. It's a little pinhole, super tiny, above the Boba sticker or Boba package. So according to the sheets on Reddit, this should be the mango fruit cup. Let's check it out and see. And I could see mango, so looks like it's right. Whoever takes the time to do those saves everyone so much money. Love that. And it's always been really accurate. You can just Google them. A lot of times it'll link you to Reddit and it'll show a picture. I also share a lot of stuff like that on my Facebook page, which is linked below. So make sure to check it out and follow me. There's a chili mango cup. Looks like it has tahini. So the instructions, I could already tell you by looking at it, they're not that good. It wants you to line the rim, but then do all this other stuff. And it shows it doing it at once. Absolutely not. We will do the lining of the rim first, then probably stack everything and cure it. Otherwise, that's going to be insanely messy. They sealed this, which they normally don't do. That's kind of interesting. Don't know why. That has a plastic seal on it. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Two little swirlies. All right, so we have that. We have our chili lime powder, which is essentially our tahini. Tweezers, and they gave us a white fork. I don't think we've seen that so far. We normally just get silver. A cup with a napkin? Question mark? I think it's supposed to be a napkin. Okay, haven't seen that before. That's interesting. This is probably resin, and the nozzle, sweet and tangy. And lastly, oh how cool, all the fruit pieces. So we have little tiny pieces and then long strips. That's awesome. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like. There's really not much resin, but it's full of fruit. And again, the instructions that we won't be following. So let's start by opening this and putting the nozzle on. And we're going to do the rim. And I forgot to get a container. I think I'll just use the bottom of this. So I'm going to line the lid with resin. That might be too much. Probably take a toothpick and smooth it out. It's really hard to squeeze this bottle though. Sheesh. I just keep kind of twirling it so it doesn't really have time to run. Even though it's probably going to do that anyways. Hurry up and get some resin on there. Could probably even do 2 layers or 2 coats if you want to. I think that looks pretty good. A lot of it's on the inside. Maybe I should do some more on the outside. I think I'm going to do a small kind of trail to make it look thicker. That way the salt sticks on the outside too. It's hard to even tell what I'm doing because it's kind of hard to squeeze. Okay, I'm going to keep this moving. I'm going to sprinkle it. And then there's a bunch left over. I might roll it in there too. May not even need to do that. We'll see. I almost just dropped it. That would be disastrous. You could lightly tap it once you get a bunch in there. That's cute. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that. I think this looks good so far. It's very saucy, which is how I wanted it. So now we're gonna try to swirl the inside. I said try because I'm honestly not sure how this is gonna go. I think I want a little bit at the bottom though. Oh, okay, well that definitely drizzles good. Ugh, not very graceful at doing it. All cute like they did. And a nice little spiral. So we're going to fill it up with all these cute little fruits. And then we put some tall ones in towards the top. Green. Just kind of letting them hit. Oops. I don't think you put any tahini in there, but it honestly doesn't tell you or show you. And I don't think you'd be able to tell anyways. Okay, so it has like 2 of these sticking up. I feel like they should have gave us more fruit. And then we're gonna throw a thing of ice cream and then drizzle. Oh, actually that is looking cute. Okay, I'll stop my judging. I feel like I should cure it first, but I won't. I'm gonna do like a little swirl and then let it drip a little down the side. Hopefully the whole time I was talking, the camera was actually in focus. But I'm gonna hurry up and cure it because as you can see, it's sinking to the bottom. We no longer see the little swirl that I made. Here is the final product. It's pretty cute. I would just say work fast or maybe cure some of the lines inside and then add a little bit to the fruit, or then add the fruit because it is kind of sinking at the bottom. But overall, it's cute. And I've never had fruit like this with tahini and all that in a cup. I see it all over TikTok. I'd love to try it sometime, but we don't have that where I live. But out of 10, I give this one like 7.5. And I will be ordering more from this series. If you want to follow along, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.